This is a KOCO 5 News First Alert weather update.
It is currently 8:20. I want to give you an update right now on the storms that we are tracking across central Oklahoma. There are severe storms, one that's up in Pawnee, and then a big cluster down into far southwestern Oklahoma, down by Frederick. For the OKC Metro, I know you can hear the thunder. It is loud, and the intensity of the rain is really beginning to ramp up. We see it here on top of Edmond, northern Oklahoma County, and then it bends all the way down towards Binger, Carnegie, Gracemont, and Anadarko. All of this is now lifting up to the northeast, and while it's not severe warned in the sense of large hail or damaging winds, the rain is going to be so heavy that it is going to slow you down tonight as you're traveling. So heavy rain right now for Oklahoma County here up towards Edmond, out to the village. That's lifting up towards Oak Tree. Right now, Cleveland County, we're okay for the time being. But look just down to your southwest. There's a lot of rain that is headed up in your direction. Stillwater, heavy rain coming down for you. Scattered pockets of moderate to heavy rain from Ponca City out towards Enid. The farther west we go, the drier the air. And so Woodward, not a ton of rain. But this is the beginning of what we'll just call the big show for tonight here, where a bulk of the rain is going to fall. This right here will be our flood threat. This will be your flood threat here. You can see severe thunderstorm warnings down there. There is, by the way, a tornado warning that's going to be right on the Red River there down by Burke Burnett, Texas. So it's way down there. But the bottom line is that this is all now beginning to advance to the east. Let me show you once again our tornado watch, our severe thunderstorm watches that we have in place here. Until 1 a.m., tornado watch does not include the metro. The metro under a severe thunderstorm watch primarily for small hail, and our flood watch that goes until tomorrow afternoon. Keep it with KOCO 5 News. We'll bring you the first alert.